But then cancer say Alexa. Okay, you can eat them. Okay, bye guys.
Ooh, amazing. Woohoo!
You can also go down.
Oo nga, ayun, yes. We're watching also downstairs.
Down.
We're here in, which pavilion is this?
DP World.
DP World. We're in DP World, guys. That's the fountain that you saw. Every 30 minutes, I think they're showing it.
30 seconds.
All right. So, guys, we're going down. Look at that, guys. Ooh, should be like this. Hi, mega love, shout out. Thank you very much, guys. Look at that, guys. I'll show you. We're going down. I'll show what's below. Whoa, so steep, so nice. All right, everything's safe here, so let's try. Woohoo!
Water droplets from as close as 12 meters.
Ha ha ha! Now my hands are sanitized. Look at that. Hi guys. So we're in the DP World in Expo 2020 pavilion. So guys, actually in Japan, you have to book your appointment there. However, unfortunately, we did not. So we're going to miss Japan pavilion today. All right. Let's go for another pavilion. Germany, I think it's also full pack. Line is so stretched up to the most probably around 5 blocks. So we're gonna skip Germany as well. As you can see, we're on the second floor. Oh, we're nearly down, guys. Guys, my live stream is always on Friday at 4:30 p.m. Pinas time. So if you're available on that day, guys, kindly join and let's be a friend and connect to each other. All right. We're nearly down. We're reaching out. Look at that. Woohoo! So amazing. Hi, hi. BTS. I'm a fan of BTS. Okay, we're almost there. I'm gonna set this as a premiere. Most probably within 2 days I'm going to upload this video and hope guys watch it. Okay, thank you for support. We're almost there, as you can see. Woo! Up there with look at that, guys. Whoa, that's nice. Very big mobile. Can we call on that? I think that's iPhone 20. Just kidding, bro. We're nearly reaching the ground, guys. As you can see, people are waiting for the fountain, or what they call it, a waterfall show, as they said. And beginning now. It will begin now. Woohoo! Okay, guys, let's see. Hope we can watch it again. We can watch it from here or from there or anywhere. The side. Okay, guys, ready for the waterfall show? Here you go.
Condensed time.
Along with the screen, okay, it's better. Look at that, guys. So amazing. Woohoo! So beautiful. So amazing. So guys, this for you guys. Prepare to be amazed.
Lives streaming together.
Whoa. Are you amazed yet, guys? Look at that.
Ideas.
Woohoo! Very beautiful. Yeah. Look at the top. Down going. Whoa. That.
Innovation glows.
Guys, this is inside the DP World, and we're watching Waterfalls Show. Wow! Look at that, there's a design, no? Like diamond.
Droplets make a roaring waterfall. Our future will flourish. Our future is flow.
Whoa, look at that. So amazing. Whoa. Wow. Very nice. Woohoo. Alright. Woo. Excelente. Very good. Very nice. Guys, have you seen that? Very nice. Look at this colorful lion. Ow! Ano yan? Coffee. Wow, coffee. Can I take one coffee as well? Coffee no sugar? Alright, thank you. Coffee no sugar.
Oh, it's free.
Free. Nagbibigay sila dyan. Yes, coffee no sugar. Thank you for the coffee, guys.
Huh?
Coffee no sugar yan. Coffee no sugar. Okay, I'm end guys.